looking at the 6 ways of being rich is not the only way to tell what's our proper career. There's an ancient model given in the Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavad Purana, and pretty much all of the wisdom literature of the Vedas that describes 4 main fields of work. Now you might ask, why 4 and why these 4? Well, there's a number of reasons for this that should become clear as we go through them. One reason is that these 4 fields of work always exist in all but the most simple of human societies. No matter the changes in history or context or the economy, these 4 fields are always there. Such is not the case for individual career types. For example, right now there's only a very limited demand for blacksmiths, and 200 years ago there were no software engineers. But the 4 fields still exist. Perhaps the main reason is that the dharma, or the value of each field, is different from the others. There are people who like the same prosperity type in each of the 4 fields. That runs across the whole gamut of human society. But you will not find people having the values of more than one field. Such is a very common question. Well, I know I can have 2 or 3 or maybe 4 prosperity types that I really feel I need to be nourished. Couldn't I be in more than one field? And the answer is no, because the fields represent a different set of values, a different way of looking at the world, a different way of understanding what is right and what is authentic. Once one understands this, then one can get a sense of where they belong. First, we're going to look at the nature of the fields themselves. Think of it as looking at 4 containers. After we look at each of the 4 fields in terms of their own nature, then we're going to return to the fields and look at the qualities of the people in each of the 4 fields.